Alright, to kind of keep the theme of what I'm covering, so I decided to go over geography for my slides presentation. So to kind of keep that theme, you could bring the kids to a game such as this, World Geography Games, and let's say you're talking about places. Well, you could go down here, and maybe a fun activity, at least for me, a fun activity I think would be to find the metropolitan areas. So then you click in here, you click play, you're finding cities, you click on the map to begin. Oh my gosh, and it starts me with a hard one. Let's see, I'm totally guessing here. Oh, okay. Well, that's my bad. In the Congo. Okay, so that one was in the Congo. Moscow, I knew where that one is. So, yeah, basically, if you click on the wrong one, like you guys just saw, it'll let you know. And then if you click on the right one, then it lets you go through. Lagos. Right there. And so, kind of get the idea. And I like the fact that it provides a visual for them too. So I think this would be a really cool tool. And if you guys saw there, there's also a lot of other programs that you can do, a lot of different categories. So I just stumbled across this, so I think this is really helpful. If I'm ever to be teaching geography in the future, I'll make sure to utilize this tool for sure. So that was the game that I found.